Hey everyone, so we're going to do a couple tips and tricks today on how to get your business to you know move to the next spot. Maybe I don't know how you want to say it, but to move up. And one of the ways that I've done it is by writing a book. And a lot of people say, "Oh, I wish I could write a book. I wish this. I wish that." It's so difficult. It's really not. And so I've came up with a way to make a book writing super easy. Super easy. So I'm gonna share it with you. I'm gonna share it with you. So stay tuned and we shall see how this works. Hey guys, and we are back. So we're gonna talk about writing a book. This book is just now a couple years old. Um, it's really awesome. And I've got, let's see here. I keep all my books right at 48 pages. I'm going to do indivisible by 4, right? So 48, get you this nice little spine right here. You want a spine on your book, um, just a lot better. But I can get these bad boys printed for around $3 a book. And so then when I go to a customer's house, be like, "Hey guys, I literally wrote the book on it. I'm going to leave this with you. If you have any questions, just let me know." Then on the inside, it's got my QR code, right? So they can click on the QR code as well right here. Um, everything's about everything's about branding. And of course it's got black and white pictures. It doesn't have, colored pictures. But it's $3 a book. You leave this with them versus a business card. That is your new business card. So that's what I've done, and it's helped me out a lot. I wrote a few books. Here's one of my latest ones. I haven't put it on Amazon yet, but it's just a little roadmap for anybody that's in 1099. So laying chapter 1, laying the foundation for 1099 sales success. Chapter 2, building your personal brand on social media. 3, prospecting and lead generation on social media. 4, mastering the art of sales communication. 5, time management and organization. I probably could read that one over about 5 times. Financial management for the 1099 salesperson. Sometimes I could probably read that a couple times. And then continuous growth and skill development. So, you're always doing that, right? Always. So these are just a couple of my books. I've written a cookbook as well. Um, Man, writing books are super simple. People get a little overwhelmed with it. Don't get overwhelmed. Do not. It's super easy. So I'm going to bring this up. This is just one of the things that I can give you this for free. I can send this to your email. No problem. So I'm going to add this here, and we're going to go through it. And well, let me not remove myself because we need the microphone. So start your book with AI. So what I do is I get all my layout done on AI, and then the rest of it I fill in. So, and whenever you have your Microsoft Word, you have the little um, microphone in the top right. I just start talking. So you're going to have a lot of ums in the book, y'alls. Because here's the thing, when you're up on a stage talking and people have read your book, they're gonna say, "Oh yeah, Nick says y'all a lot," or "How you doing? Howdy," right? I say howdy all the time. People kind of look at me, but that's just something that I do. So we're gonna go through here and look. It's gonna go right through step 1, step 2, step 3, everything that you need to write this book, right? So that I mean that's easy. It's easy to write a book. And then you're going to get this thing published, and it's easy to publish a book. Super easy. And then you're going to print the book. So I don't have all of that in there, like what you're going to publish the book, get all your ISBN numbers and stuff like that through Bowker. You're going to use 48hourbooks.com to make sure you reference me, so that way I get a kickback. And then that's it. They show up to your doorstep. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So that's a little bit on what I can offer you guys on writing a book. And if you just join the community page, just email me, message me, comment on here. I'll send you a link to the community page where all this stuff's on here. And then I'm going to show you next the little other simple SEO stuff. So here's different prompts, right? So I save all of my prompts that I use that give me good results, and I have thousands. And what I do is I save them. I save them to help people grow their businesses, right? So, you know, let's see, best image optimization strategy for, Salina, Texas, based keywords for artificial turf. And this works for every business. So I have tons of these. I have so many pages of these. They'll be on the community group as well. It's awesome. So my community group does nothing but help people. Now, I'm about to blow you away with how much it costs. It is pricey. It's free. All you got to do is do the work. That's it. Do the work. It's free. So I just love helping people. I love helping people succeed. So just like back here in the sign, it's a monopoly. Let's see, can you make? Yeah, it's a monopoly. It says success, right? And it's a hustle, execution, discipline, things of that nature that you've got to do in order to be successful and always be consistent. So I'm just, today's Friday, and I'm on here just trying to help people out with their businesses. I've had a few people today ask, call, text, and message me on Facebook. How do you do this? How do you do that? And so I just kind of thought I'd get on here and help you out. So if you're interested about joining the community page, like I said, shoot me a message. I'll send you the link. It's free. Get in there. You can collaborate with other small business people, and might have someone in there that's a real estate agent, and you need real estate agent to real estate agent, advice. We have, a girl that does pediatric stuff. And so in the group, so you might ask her, hey, I have this and that. And it's just really cool. We've got a gym owner in there. I'm trying to get a whole bunch of people of all different I just want to get a whole bunch of small business people in there, and let's rock this out and become successful and help each other. Because at the end of the day, that's what it's about, is helping each other win in this thing called life. So go out, enjoy this weekend with your friends and family, loved ones, and have a great rest of your Friday.